right? Home app is added. Home app you imported as well as home app you have added here. So there is a two app now. One is called app, another one is called home app. So app is for the admin purpose and home app is for the public purpose. Admin purpose. When the admin will log in, he can see the feature from home app. When the people will come to your website, they will see the feature from the home app. Okay, admin will see the feature from app and public can see the feature from the home app. Okay, so both are small changes I have made. Let us go and compile it. npm start. Four file I have sent. Hope you have kept the file in the src folder. After keeping in src folder, in index.js file, this line was supposed to import, and at this place you are supposed to add that line. Home app. So what will happen is, let's compile. No need of any modification. It was as per the last class what you have attended. Which one? No, don't modify anything in app.js. That is for the home purpose. By default, home page will load. Dashboard. That was of last class when you have attended. So in app.js, no modification. The file I have sent you, in that we have a file home app. In that we have home, header, cart, and login. For that routing I have added here. Okay, home header is here. This is another kind of few pages. So we have categorized based on user. If normal user will come to the website, this home app will work. If the admin will log in, app will work. Okay. Routing is in both the places. In app also we have a routing, and in home app also we have the routing. Okay, so hope your page is compiled. Home app should be enabled, and home app should look like this by default. Home page, cart will be empty page, admin login will be a just simple login. This is the static page is extra apart from app.js. In app.js, the feature we have that is for admin purpose. And these pages are loading, it is for whom? For the public purpose. If anyone will come to your website, they can see this content directly. Okay, in home page now, list of product will come. In home page, list of the product will come where user can place the order. In cart page, the list of item you have added in the cart that will come. Admin login, from here login process start. So first we'll complete this portion. Which portion? Home part. Okay, home part. After completing the home, we'll do the add to cart. It will go to where? It will go to the cart. Okay, so working for everyone till here. Let me know in the chat. Okay, next after this, the data we are going to display in home page, it has to come from the JSON server. Okay, so this project is running, let it be. We have to set up the JSON server and we will add 2-3 dummy product and then we'll see that is coming here or not. Once it comes, then we'll see the add to cart functionality. Add to cart will happen, then we'll go to the cart page and then we'll do the order placement. If these two pages are ready, then we'll work for the login page. If that page is ready, then we'll work for the admin part. Okay, step by step. So you will come to the, this is your project folder, SRC, and right, node modules. So my folder name is called batch 6. My folder name is called batch 6. Okay. Now out of your project folder, you will create another folder. Okay. Not inside the project. See, this batch 6 is my project folder. What is your project folder? Check once. What is your project folder? Project 6.7 or 1.2.3? What is that? You have given some name of the folder, right? Okay, that folder name should be whatever you have. You keep it with you. Now here, just where we have the project folder, here only you will create a JSON API folder. I will give a related name, batch 6 API. Batch 6 API. You can give your folder name anything. You can give folder name API also, JSON API, anything. Batch 6 JSON API. Batch 6 JSON API are given. You can give your folder name JSON API directly. Okay, hope ready. JSON API folder is ready. Go under the JSON API folder. Why confused here? That much capacity should be there, no, to listen and understand. Priyanka, look this side. I have asked you, this is the project folder. This is, don't do anything inside. Go out of that, create a folder JSON API and following that. Why confusion? Anywhere you create this folder, no matter, but don't create inside the project folder. You can see here in one folder I am following, all right. You can also do the same or go D drive and create a folder. It's not matter where it should be, but the folder should be there somewhere. Okay. Hope JSON API folder is ready. Go inside the JSON API folder and open CMD. Go under the JSON API folder and open the CMD. Okay, JSON API folder, open the CMD. Inside that, you will write JSON hyphen server, not JSON hyphen server, npm install minus g JSON hyphen server, npm install minus g JSON hyphen server. Enter. Okay, hope installation is completed or going on. Next, after that, under this server, under this folder, you will create a file data.json. Under which folder? JSON API folder. You will create a file data.json. 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 Data.json will be a file system where we will be storing the contents, but dynamically it will come from the React. Dynamically it will go to the React. Flower bracket open close. Inside you keep one array called product. Keep one more array called as a cart. Keep one more array called order. Product cart order. Keep one more ID called account. Account is for the login purpose. Product to keep the list of the product. Cart to keep the cart item. Orders to keep the orders, whichever the orders has come. Account where we can store the admin username and password. Using that, admin can log in. Hmm? React we have learned, no? In the React we have seen JSON API folder we have created separate in React. For what purpose? To store the data. Similar way, this is a separate folder where it is going to work like the backend and it will store the data. And from data from this file will go to the okay, hope ready till here. Now after product I have given the after account have given the comma. No comma. Okay, so under the product we will be storing now few fixed value that will be dynamic. That will be dynamic once we make the admin folder ready. As of now, admin is not ready, so we will keep here some fixed value, and using that we'll test the application. Okay, hope ready. Come inside. You will give ID of the product. Start from one. Name of the product. Price of the product. Photo of the product. Then after that, details of the product. Okay, hope one product I have done. Put a comma here. Copy the same product and paste below. Two product we'll keep and we'll test based on two product first. .jpg, input mango. Okay, done. Save this file. I will share you these two product details in case if you have made here there, you can use this code. Now we have to start this server. Which server? JSON server. Then the JSON server will give you one URL. On that URL, you can access both the product. That URL will give to the React and React can fetch it easily. So go here first. You can see here 1.jpg and 2.jpg, two photo you are calling. One Apple photo download from internet, keep 1.jpg, and one mango photo download from internet, keep 2.jpg. Both the photo you keep in public folder. Download two photo from internet and keep in public folder. Keep under your React public folder. Hope you are arranging two photo. Okay, so hope two photo downloaded and kept in which folder? Public folder. What is the photo name? 1.jpg, 2.jpg. Because JPG are given in the JSON file, so make sure you give JPG only. It will be able to find, else it will say page not found. Okay, ready? Now you'll come to the CMD, and in CMD where we have install the npm install JSON server in the same CMD. Like that CMD is pointing to your which server? JSON server. There you will write JSON-server space minus minus watch space data.json space minus minus port space yes, in that where you have stored this data.json file, there you should open the CMD. And in that you will write JSON-server space minus minus watch space data.json space minus minus port 1234. This is to start the JSON server. You can write somewhere and you can rename it, or you can remember, take the photo, do anything. You should remember it. How to start the JSON server. Let me know once your JSON server started. So JSON server is giving 4 URL: product, cart, order, and account. Product, cart, order. So on product URL, we can access all the product. On cart URL, we can access all the cart item. And in order, we can access all the order item, as well as in the account, we can access the login details. JSON-server space minus minus watch space your file name data.json space minus minus port 1234. You can write that much flexibility. Why you want Versa? Share the CMD here. That I cannot do. You can write one line of command. This is your task, but on behalf of you, I am doing. Hope you have started.
Server is not opening, sir.
Server is not opening. I replace this code.
Everything is same, but
Don't say everything is, something will be wrong. Hmm? Can you see this line? There is a space after port number. Minus minus port space 1234 is there. After a space. Have you given a space? In one line only you did mistake. What will happen if 10,000 line will come in front of you? Whoever has faced the problem, server is not started, have you replaced the content?
Okay, sir.
After replacing the content, start the server again.
Sir, after replacing the content, the server is started.
That only we want. Server should start. If JSON content is not organized properly, server will not start. Error or working? Working. Okay. Okay. Next. So this CMD you are not going to close. Okay. This CMD become a backend live server. On this your JSON server is running and it has given you 4 URL, 4 API resources. On this you can access your content. Now localhost http://localhost:123/product. This URL we are going to give to whom? React. So React can get the 2 product from here. Now come to the browser and check once. Open a new tab. Write here localhost:1234/product. It will show you 2 product list. 2 product list will come. Right? Something like this. That represent your JSON server is running perfectly. And this URL will give to the React and React can access the data easily. This URL will give to the React and React can access the data easily. So next step is we have to come to our React project folder, where once the user will come to the home page, he will click on home. Here 2 product will come with the option called photo will be there, everything will be there. What you have stored here, those all will come clear. So hope JSON server is working for everyone. Now come to your project folder now. In project folder, right? In project folder, suppose this is my project folder called batch 6. So you can do through the terminal also, or you can do through the CMD also. Okay, what we want to do, we want to install here that Axios library to send the data to JSON server and to bring the data from the JSON server. So first you click here and click on your SRC folder. SRC folder we have in the left side. Yeah, you can click on that. It will become little collapse will happen. Okay, so hope you are within the same folder, same project folder. Go to the terminal and from terminal you can run a command. From the terminal you can run a command npm install Axios. npm install Axios. Okay, so hope going on. Hmm. Which one? Software engineer is not like operator job. It's a difficult job only. Hmm? Yes. See, getting the degree from college is easy. We will study subject, we will get the degree, we will write exam. But based on that degree, generating some output, giving some output, and then getting back as a salary will be difficult task definitely. In market, you see, marketing people before lockdown, they were earning lot of money. Marketing people, all the profile people was earning huge money before lockdown. When the lockdown came, all the profile got zero. Only one market, one profile work well. That is called development. Not development, software industry related. Everyone people was good condition. Difficulties is there. How we can say there is not a difficulties is there no. But again, matter is about practice. When you go to the hospitals, the doctor people will talk. While talking, they will use lot of words they will use. That word even we cannot speak the words. We will be doing a lot of mistake while using that words. Okay, our technical words while we talk we can use easily. Other people will not make pronounce properly. Specialization, that is called what? Specialization. Mastering. You are trying to enter into the industry, so you have to make yourself master in that. Right? Market need your skill. Based on that skill, company will generate the money. That money, something will come to you and something will go to the company. Correct. So definitely, a skill is required. Knowledge is required. So just we have merged two technologies now, React and then JSON server. If there is a React, Node, Express, database, JSON API and the API part, then how complex it will be? Don't feel it's a complex. Okay. It's a matter of practice. Okay, so hope your Axios installation is done and you have no any error. Your project is running absolutely fine. Now we are going to work on this file. Which file? Home file. So come to the home.js file. In home.js file, you can see you are calling React on the top. Just below to that, import Axios from Axios. Import Axios from Axios. Now we are going to bring the data from that server. What you have made the live server. So you will go here and write a function. Write a function const product list update product user state const get product Come inside. Axios. Axios.get. Axios.get. This URL you need to keep there. Product URL completely. Axios.get. .10 response if response.data.length greater than 0, then response.data.length, like from the JSON server, whichever the data is coming, their length is greater than 0, meaning if there is a elements are available, then what to do? If elements are available, then what to do? Via update product function, you will pass the via update product function, you will pass the response.data to the product list. You will pass the response.data to product list. You will write here again. Use effect is also required. So let's complete this 2 section. I will share you this code in your chat as well. Okay, next after that, you import the use effect on the top. Use effect. Then come down here. Use effect you can call. Under the use effect, we can call the get product function. And in use effect, you have to pass a parameter 1 so that execution of use effect will not happen under the infinite. It will execute only one time and after that it will get stopped. Add use effect. The heading we have written, we can change. Home shopping. You can give college 12 and you can write there. Text center. Text primary. So hope the page is loaded. Function is ready. Home shopping. Get product function should be ready. Then after that, use effect should be ready. What is? It is array. We are checking if more than one element is there, then only send to the update, send to the state. Now we'll come down and we will use here the product listing part. If you are not able to write on time, you can replace the code, because these all things are already covered many times in your classes. Okay. Now come down below. We will use the map function and display the list of the product. While using the map function, we have to use the array called product list. So we can write here product list dot map. Product list dot map product comma index will come here. Next, after that, return four product we can display in one line. DIP class name equal to call LG 3 MB4 or MB5 we can give. Come inside, write a div under this division. Under this division, you will be displaying the many things. For example, let me write a class name P2 shadow also. H6 we can use to display the name of the product. Product dot name below product dot photo. IMG SRC product dot photo height equal to 140, width equal to 100%. Now after the photo, in a paragraph, you will display the price in rupees. Product dot price next. After that, a button is required. called add to cart. btn hyphen danger btn hyphen sm. Okay, this one I wrote for the button. Paragraph directly, it should be for the button. For this paragraph, I wanted to make text center. Text center. Next, inside that, you will keep a button. Button open. Button is closed. I open close. Class name fa hyphen shopping. Add to cart. Index we can add here for college 3 equal to index. Two products should come properly in your page. See, apple and mango. P2 is there, P3 we can do, and then H6 we can convert into H5. Will look little big font size. And then check. Product details was also there. After photo, you can display the details in a one paragraph. Product dot details. Ready? Product dot details is coming. Details will come. Price will come. Photo will come. Once you click on add to cart, next functionality will happen. So you can let me know, look similar or something else. Hope product details is coming for all.
Yes, sir, but alignment is not proper.
That you learn already, no? You can do the alignment. Nasreen, your class is 9:30. Why you log in 45 minutes before? Hope you can hear me. What is not coming? Details you have to print here. Okay, so home page look like this. Next functionality is based on these two products, we will see add to cart. When we do add to cart, this item, particular item will get added under the cart. And once you go to the cart page, you will see, oh, apple is added in my cart. Once you click on mango, add to cart, it will go to where? Your cart page. Icon why it is not coming? FA shopping hyphen cart. Shopping hyphen CART. Okay, shopping cart icon is coming. Next, from here, once you click on add to cart, the product details will go to the where? Cart, yes. So let's go. We are moving on. Next, doing call add to cart functionality. If you look into your JSON server, in JSON server, already we have one API here called cart. Cart is empty as of now. Once you do add to cart, one item will get added over there. So let us come inside the code, write a function here called first one constant MSG update MSG update MSG equal to use state, and this MSG will be as empty. Will be as a empty. Next, after that, you will write here const add to cart. Product info. Console.log product info. Console.log product info. Okay, hope ready. Product info. Next, after that, this add to cart function we have to call in page. So come down and on button click. On button click. On click. Call a function add to cart dot bind. Add to cart dot bind this comma product. This comma product. So question is what we have inside the product here. What is the product variable? Product is holding the complete details of one product. So once you click on add to cart, complete details of a product you are sending to which function? Add to cart function. I will show in console how it is going to work. Write quickly little.
So show me the codes. Function. Constant message.
Okay, hope you written add to cart inside this comma which one? Product. Next after that,
Sir, sir.
what's
Show
the
the function.
which function?
Functions. Message. Constant message.
You have gone somewhere when you are writing.
My signal is not proper. That it's disconnected.
Complete this button first.
I already wrote that button, sir. Only function is pending. It's
Ready? So hope you are written the function now. Come to the browser, do the right click, open the console. Browser right click, inspect element, open the console. This function code I have shared in the chat also. Let me know quickly once you have written. Okay, now we'll go to the browser and in console, click on console and you can clear all. If you have any warning here, there, clear all. Okay. Then see what we have done is when we click on a particular product, add to cart, what will happen is complete details of the product will go to the where cart. Okay. Now in console, how it is going to show? Let me show you. Like on click, you are sending the product details. Now see, once I click here, you can see in console what is coming. ID1. Next, what is that? Name, price, quantity. All the details gone to where? Console. Again, if I click on second, the second product details is coming here. Right? So the code is here. On button click, you can see. On button click, you call add to cart, and inside the add to cart, you send complete. You have sent complete. What we send complete? We have sent complete the product details, and that product details is coming under the console here, right? Console.log is printing the product info. So product details is coming and storing under the product info, and product info we are printing here, correct? Okay, hope ready. Next, after that, this data we have to post to where? The JSON server. So let's go here, write a variable, give the variable name called a variable, give a variable name called URL equal to, inside the URL, you have to write your URL of the cart. URL of the cart. So it is 1234/CART cart. Next, coming down, axios.post URL, product info. So the product info is complete one product details. So this complete product details we are sending to cart array, cart API in the JSON server. So axios.post. Axios is the JavaScript library that used to communicate from the client to server. .get method will fetch the data. .post method will send the data. .put method will update the data. .delete method will delete the data. Okay, so we are going to see which one. Get you saw on the top. Post we are going to see now. Delete we'll see in the next example. So what about updates? I have given the idea in update during your class. Axios, remember? You can check your project folder. It is there under the functional component. How to update the data? It should be under the book component somewhere. Okay, axios.post. Now write here .then response. Next, after that, write here what you will write. So axios.post is nothing but using Axios library. Inside this library, there is a function called post. Using the post, we are sending the product details to the cart API. After sending to the cart API, we need to display one message to user, particular item added in cart. So update message function you call, and in update message function, product info dot name. Product info is holding the name, price, details, and photo, everything. Product info dot name plus added in your cart. Okay, added in your cart. Next, after that, coming down, just add this function. Let me share you the code also. Next, after that, after this H5, H1 we have printed, we can display the paragraph. And under the paragraph, we can display that MSG variable. Under the MSG variable, we can write here class name, text hyphen danger, text hyphen center. Text danger and text center. Now, once you do the add to cart button, once you click, it will display your message. One item you can add only one time. Save that. Click on add to cart. Let me know your item is getting added or any message is coming out. Okay, if you click on add to cart, it will say item added in the cart. Let me go here and click on maybe any add to cart. Add to cart. Mango added in your cart. Once you go to the cart page, then it should display one item saying mango is in your cart. Now where this data gone? First check, you got the message or not? Message appear. Now this data, if you open the data.json file, it will ask you to update. Yes, you need to update it. Click on yes. Open the data.json file. In case asking update it, yeah. Reload it, yes. Then you can see here, this is the product details that is coming under the list. And see, cart is there here, cart. Inside the cart, one item is added. That is called product ID 2, name is mango. That like complete product details got added where? Cart. If you add one more, that will come here automatically. Go here. Now suppose I will add the apple. It will say me here, apple added in your cart. If I go to my JSON file, it is asking to reload. Yes. You can see one more got added here. Which one? Called apple. Check now. Happening something like this. So it is the JSON server. If it is a database, then it will go to where? Database. But it is not database, so it is going to where? File system. In the file system also it's arranging complete properly. Okay, so one item you can't add 2 times. Okay, if it's a database, then you can add one item 100 times. But here JSON server ID, it will not allow duplicate. this product ID, once we have added here, product ID 1, we cannot add again because ID, it will not allow to add duplicate here. Okay, so hope you added. Now, next page is whichever the item we have added here, it should come to the cart page. It should come to the cart page. And in the cart page, there will be option called delete from here. If we don't want particular item, we can delete that. Whichever the item we want, we can fill the form and place the order. So shall we go to the cart page? Working for you three? See, you are looking here, there, huh? Only I told the same thing. It will add, then it will not add it. It's already added. Do quickly. We have less time till 9:30. We need to finish class maximum. Not make much delay. Show me if there is a problem. What you wrote? Where is the add to cart function? Close this. Why open this? Maximize full screen. Where is send add to cart? Okay. Next, come down. Where you call add to cart? Add to cart dot bind this and then product. Okay. Final. Run the page. Replace the page. Open that data.json file. Data.json file. In Mac, you can check, there will be some other command. Here, comma. This file is running. Show me the CMD. Okay, so it's running. Then only. This one. Scroll down. This is something else. Start again. Start the server again. Not npm start the JSON server. Hello. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Tell me. Can you talk in English? Can you talk in English? Yeah. Okay. Today holiday, you can come tomorrow. Yeah. We have. You can come tomorrow. I will give you the link. You can send me hi on this number in WhatsApp. We'll send you the location. You can come. See you around. Yeah. So, you know. See, not practicing, you will not practice. This JSON server, when the class was going on, I have created many examples. Saving data, I will not practice nothing meaning. Python, right? And that is the problem. Where is everything post? KXIOS dot post URL http://cart product info update MSG. Okay, open the console now. Which can open the project. The server is not running. Can you close that file? This file? Yes. Okay, start again. How to try to start? How to start the JSON server? JSON server. space minus minus watch space minus minus space data.json space data.json space minus minus port space 1234 enter. Is it running any other place already? This is it. It is running. Go to the project.
డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం.
Localhost :123/start same 500. Duplicate ID you have used here. Open that file data.json. Already are there. See, when you have opened that, it has asked last time you want to reload. You said no. No, you should say yes. You should say yes. Then only it will be. So data. Control C twice.
Last one. E last.
When you open this
7:30 నాకు అది ఎందుకు చెయ్యి టేసిన చల్లగా నేను చల్లగా లేచిన కట్టుకున్నాడు ఇంకా వెంటనే లేచేసి నాకు కూడా టైం అయిందని వచ్చేసిన.
if you add, then it will come here. Close this. Don't add again. Open this file. Close this file. Don't open this. Close it. It has asked reload. You did say no. Okay, sit there. It's correct. What you were saying? Okay, so come next file we have. This data is coming here. We can go to the cart page. So from this current file, which is the current file? Home file. From home file, you can copy product list and this function, use effect, all three you can copy. Copy this much from here, product list, update product, use effect, copy all three, and come to the cart.js file. What we copied? We copied this much. Go to the cart.js file. In cart.js file, you need to paste that code again because similar code we want there also. In cart.js file, we need to post that code. Add here, and then in the beginning you have to call the again use effect first. Use effect and call below import Axios. Import Axios from Axios. Use effect to call on the top, then call below. You need to restart that server. Which server? JSON server. It's running JSON server. If it is a stop, then restart it. Okay, so hope you added the item list, sorry, product list. Now here instead of product, the URL will get changed to cart because we want to read the data from where? Cart. Hope this much modification is ready. Use state, use effect. Use state, use effect. After that, which one? Update product. Use state, use effect you called, then Axios you called. Now this code remains same. Only we change here as a cart. Don't forget to change your cart, else it will read you all the data. It should read only cart item. It should not read all the items. Okay, next after that, come down below. Come down below and the cart page look like this. So here we need to add. A, H3, H4, H5, H6, anything you can add. Suppose H4 I will add here. Items in cart. Before that, we'll print the product list dot length. Product list dot length. And for this, write class name text hyphen enter and check now. Once you come to this page, you have any item in the cart or not. If it is not there, You can go to the home page, add one item, and then come back to this page. It will display you how many items are added in your cart. How many items are added in your cart? Only add this line, product list dot length, and before that, this is the code. Use state, use effect we called. Product list we call here. Below we have get product. Get product we are calling under the use effect. So onload get product will come and it will read the item from the cart array, cart API, and then it will give to update product. Update product will give to the product list, and product list will give the length inside the page. If I come to my page, it is showing for me 2 items in the cart. Two items in cart. Hope something similar. Cool then. So we set up the JSON server. After that, in JSON server, we added some text value. Then JSON server we started. We read the data from the JSON server. And in the home page, we display the page, we displayed the data. After that, we are doing add to cart. Then under the cart page, we are able to display the length of elements. How many elements are available? Next, after this, what we will do is we have to list the data here. Okay. So list the data will come here in the right hand side. What are the product is ordered by users? Okay. So 2 times is written items in cart, items in cart. You can remove this. This H4 what we have written on the top. This H4 we can keep inside the there eat. Inside the eat you can add. It will be proper. It will look better. So instead of adding on the top, we can add in the right hand side and it will look well organized. Okay, hope I did. It should display where? Here in the right side, 2 item in cart. Now quickly we can run the loop here and display the list of items under the body. Open the flower bracket, item list dot map. We can write here call not item list, it should be product list. Product list dot map PRODUCT product again index return ATR T equal to index. After that, we can write the TD. What we have first? Product dot name. Product dot name. Next we have product dot price. Product dot price. Next we have quantity is not there. You can rename the quantity. Quantity you can replace by photo. Quantity, I think every time we are placing one only. TD, you can write here. quantity will be 1, value you can keep, and then last td you can keep here, call etd, inside keep a I tag, class name fa hyphen trash fa hyphen 2x text hyphen danger. This is a delete icon. Delete icon will come there, where you can delete the item on click of that. Check now. Product add to cart will happen, as well as listing will happen in the cart item. Getting the trash icon. Here trash icon will come. Quantity you cannot do here changes. For every product we have to take one single quantity only. Reason is in JSON server we cannot modify the quantity. If database, then we can modify the quantity. Something went wrong.
The product list dot map. You wrote product dot map.
Product list dot map. See, 2 items are coming here. Now here we'll take the customer. Here we'll have option delete also. Once you click on delete, it will go from the where cart. Once you click on delete, it will remove from your cart. Okay. Then here we'll have call place order button. Place order like customer details, full name, email ID, address, and then place order. Once you place the order, then for this particular customer, we have to design a form here. For this particular customer, this all the product will be placed as a order. Then once the supplier will log in the application, seller will log in the application, he will see, yes, for this particular customer, I need to deliver this all other products. Okay, so that we will be working on next Saturday, Sunday, we will finish the project. Okay, so this we have to do here, place order and delete. So this is some 10-15 minutes work, nearly half an hour work. After this, we will work on login functionality, and then remaining will be which one? Admin part. Okay, so Saturday work will be coming Saturday here, creating a form, placing the order and deleting from the cart and admin login. Okay, till admin login you can reach. Sunday work will be where we can add the product, list the product and see the orders. That will be the Sunday work. Okay.
Sir, what is the React.js class timing?
Which React.js class timing?